Welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to turn yourself into these trending cartoonic images for free with AI. So without getting much of a time wasted, let's get started. Welcome back to today's video. So in today's video we're going to be making use of this image here. We're going to be making use of this image today. So first of all, go to your Chrome browser, then you type in this word styler.ai. Click on styler.ai. So you wait for it to load. So yeah, this is it. So you click on start for free. So when you click on start for free, you sign up with either your Gmail. So yeah, it's done signing in. So you click on new project here. So you click on new project and you wait for it to load. So let's work with this 1:1 and let's drag in our image. So let's drag in our image. This is our image here. So yeah, we're done importing our image. So this is our image here. So what you do, you click on fit to content. So yeah, this is it. Let it fit to it. So yeah, it's done. So you click on image to image. So yeah, this bar will come up here. So let's choose the style we want. Let's go for this innocent cutie. So yeah, so what you do, you click on auto prompt. It's actually describe your image, your model here. So let's click on auto prompt. Let's see what it gives our model. There you can see it's actually a description of our image here. So we're going to use these two sliders here to actually control the end result. So this structure match, we're going to increase it. Yeah, we're going to increase this to actually fit in with the model, while the style intense, let's leave that at 7. So yeah, you now click on style rise. Yeah, it's done. So let's actually check from this 4. I think this, yeah, I think this one actually fits to our image, but the face is not the same. So multiple trials, we actually got an image that looks similar. So let's download it. So let's just download the image. So let's go to export settings to be 2x, then you click on download. Now file is done downloading. So let's hide this layer here. So let's do the same with the original image. Let's go to export, then click on to download. So yeah, this is our image. So you can see it's not kind of similar with the original image. Face has issues, so we're going to fix that with another AI, which is called remaker.ai/en. So this is the website here. So we're going to click on face swap. We're going to swap the image face, the AI face, with the original face to look the same. We're going to click on face swap. So yeah, it's downloading. So let's click on the image we want to swap. Let's click on the AI image. Let's drag the AI image to here. Let's drag it here. Then the face we want to swap, load swap image. Then you click on swap. So here you can see it's done downloading, it's done swapping already. So I think this is a little bit okay. So yeah, our image is done swapping. So let's just click on it, then click on download. So click on download. So yeah, this is the swapped image. So you can see it's almost the same, but we have the quality issue. So the quality is very low. So we're going to fix that with another AI, which is called let's enhance.io/boost. So this website actually requires you to log in. So I'm already logged in, so I have 3 credits left. So let's drag in our image. So this is our image here. Let's drag it. So yeah, this is our image. This is downloading now. So let's maintain these settings. So let's reduce the turn enhance a little bit. Let's reduce the turn enhance a little bit. Then you click on start processing. Let's wait for it to process. So yeah, this is our image. So let's click on download. Let's download the image. So yeah, this is our image. So let's open it. Yeah, this is the upscaled image. So you can see the differences. You can see the hair. So yeah, this AI actually did a great job on it. So yeah, you can actually see this is actually perfect. So yeah, you can see this is actually perfect. So yeah, this is it so you can actually play around with it in Photoshop. You can add some things to it in Photoshop. So let's add some light. So light, let's add some light. So light reflections. So yeah, let's just increase the brush a little bit. Then this is our light here. So let's turn the mode to screen and also do the same. So the blue, let's change this to blue. So let's work with this color here. So let me increase the blue a little bit. So yeah, so let's do the same here. So let's also do the same to add this to screen. So let's add this to screen. Oh, let's just leave it to lighten. I think lighten is okay. Let's add an overall effect to this, which is a gradient. So let our gradient be blue. So this is the before and this is the after. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and let's also drop a comment in this video. Thank you.